Okay, uh, today we'll be learning how to add the point and the line features in a particular map, okay, while digitizing. So this is a map, this is QGIS platform, and this is a map where we have already done one work, that is we have added a polygon feature. Okay, in the previous video I've already told you how to add this polygon feature. Okay, jetia ami kiba eta area jodi dekhabo bisarisu, okay, then ami ki kota polygon feature add koru. So polygon feature has already been added. Tumi jodi etia etu uncheck kori dia, if you unchecked it, you see, 1 minute, if you unchecked it, you can see this is the map. Etu map ote ki korislo, in the map of Sibsagar district we have this one added this polygon feature. Mane etu subdivision amar tinta subdivision asle 1 2 and 3 subdivision. E gute subdivision kite ki korilo ami separate korilo with the help of polygon feature. Okay, so if you want to identify, you can just click over here. You see, this is one subdivision, this is another subdivision, and this is another subdivision. Okay, so now our next task is to add the this one. If I just remove this polygon feature, so our next task is to add the different point, okay, point and the polygon feature. So if I zoom it, okay, if I zoom it, we have this all this. We can't add all the points because it is there is quite many number of points. So ami ki kor, ami selected kisman point kita man hai ami choose korim. Okay, so let us see the index, what it is there. Okay, if you see the index here, if you go to the this one point feature, so we find district headquarters, subdivision headquarters, and important place. So ami gute khini add nokoro, will just be selecting this one, that is a district headquarter, okay, and the subdivision headquarter. Okay, so if you see where are these features located, this is one headquarter. Okay, okay, important place to locate nokoru. Tumalake jodi bisara, if you want, you can locate all the important places, but there are too many important places. Tumalake yapra selected kisman place to tumalake add koribo para. Okay, so now the next thing is that now if we just add this polygon feature, so what happened, the background, okay, that is the georeference map is not visible. Okay, enike jodi thake tamne ki ami point feature ba line feature bu add koribo noarim, because etui ki korise tuma polygon feature, this is blocking the features on the background. So what we'll do, we'll make this background, will make this particular polygon feature transparent. Okay, ami to transparent korim, and what we will do, we will make this setting where only the boundary can be seen. Ami ki korim gutei khini tuma transparent kori dim, aru khali ei boundary kite ki hobo ami visible kori thoi dim. Okay, so what you will do, select this polygon feature. Okay, then after selecting, okay, you right click. After clicking right click, go to properties. Okay, then you have to go to symbology. Already symbology is selected. Okay, this is symbology. So what you will do, will make this color as transparent. Fill color should be there. 1 minute. Okay, okay, select this one. Okay, after selecting this one, this fill color is given. Okay, you have to make it transparent. Okay, click on transparent fill. Okay, this is transparent fill. So what will happen, everything will become transparent, this color will not be seen, and jiman bu background jibo features ase ebu sob tumalake dekhi paba. Now since the boundary has to be visible, a boundary khini ki hobo tuma visible hoi thakibo lagibo. So to make the boundary visible, what you will do, will give this one color to the border. Okay, so this is stock color is there, so go over here. So you can add any color, like I'm adding suppose green color. Okay, I'm adding this dark green color. Okay, you can add any color you want. Okay, then this is the color, so you just increase the width. Okay, mane size to me increase kori, suppose this is 4 say 0.66. okay, then after completing of this setting, you just click on apply, then okay. So now you see everything has become transparent. Okay, सब transparent होगा. Only the thing is that the boundary is visible. Okay, so if the boundary is visible, then it will be convenient for you to this one, draw the line feature. Okay, the first we'll go with the point feature. So again same process we'll do what we have done in the case of polygon feature. Go to layer. Okay, then since we are going to create, আমি এটা কি আছে, এটা নতুন এটা ফিচার ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিম যোনটো আছে পইণ্ট ফিচাৰ. আগতে আমাৰ কি আছে পলিগন ফিচাৰ. ওকে, এতিয়া আমাৰ নতুন এটা ফিচাৰ আছে, দ্যাট ইজ পইণ্ট ফিচাৰ. চ' ক্ৰিয়েট লেয়াৰ. Okay, and that is new shape file. আমাৰ কি আছে, এটা শ্বেপটো কি আছে পইণ্ট শ্বেপ হ'ব. চ' this is new shape layer. Then give a name. So what you were going to this one, where you are going to save the file, you just select the file where you want to save it. Okay, তোমালোকে jo save কৰিব বিচাৰিছা এটো তোমালোকে select কৰি লবা. Okay, so মই যিখিনি কৰিছো I want to save in here. Okay, then give a name. আমি এটা কি ফিচাৰ কৰিছো পইণ্টৰ, কি পইণ্ট হয় হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰ. Okay, so আমি কি দেখাব বিচাৰিছো, আমি হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰ দেখাব বিচাৰিছো. So I have given it as headquarter point. Okay, so then click on save. So it will be always in SHP format. So etu tumalage ki koriba, ami point feature jehetu korisu, ki point dekhaisa tumalage headquarter ko locate koribo bisarisa. So the headquarters represented with the help of point feature. So we are given the name as headquarter point according to your convenience. So tumalako understanding of video ba tumalage short form of video jetia tumalage dekhile gom paba. Okay, this belongs to this particular work. So henege hisabe tumalage file bu save koriba. Okay, I've saved it. Then now geometry type should be different. Okay, earlier what this was polygon feature because ami eta area cover korislo. Now what happened, this is a point feature. So change the geometry type to point. This point is a select this one. Okay, then since all these headquarters have the name. Okay, headquarters for ki ase naam ase. Okay, you know the name of the headquarters. Headquarters jehetu tumalke naam bu jana hetu kane tumalke naam bu add koribo bisarisa. So if you want to add the name, just click name. Okay, type as name. Okay, kyo ami yat name to bisarisa because ami headquarters bro naam bu janu. Okay, so then click on add to fill list, then okay. Okay, so now we are ready. Okay, so then click on this one for zoom. Okay, for zoom it where the points are there. So I think here is one headquarter, this is one headquarter. So what I will do, I will click this one. So this is my point feature. Okay, add the point feature, click on it. Okay, then bring to the point where you have the headquarter. Then what you do, you right click, sorry, you first click it, left click. Okay, then this one will appear. So give the ID as 1. And what is the name of the headquarter? The name of the headquarter is Sibsagar. Okay, the name of the headquarter is Sibsagar, and click on okay. So this point has been added. Now we'll go to the next point. Where is the location of the next point? I think here we have one point. Okay, this one, Nazira. Okay, then again click here. Okay, click this particular point, add point feature. Okay, then go over here, then left click. Okay, then give this ID as 2. Okay, so what is the name of the headquarter? The name of the headquarter is Nazira. Okay, so the name of the headquarter is Nazira. Okay, then click on okay. So again click this option. Enuka dhoronor karjabuk eta loi nathakiba because mistakenly if you just click here, then a point feature will be added. So better you use this feature. Okay, so we have another one. I think somewhere here. Yeah, this Sunari is another headquarter. Okay, so again click on this point feature. Okay, then bring it here and left click. Okay, so give this as ID number 3. So what is the name of the headquarter? The name of the headquarter is Sonari, Sonari, Sonari. Then click on okay. Okay, so now your point feature had been added. We have only 3 headquarters. Okay, so if there would have been more headquarter, we would have added the point feature. Okay, tomaloke if you want to name the important places also, okay, this is only for headquarter. Okay, this index, this point is only for headquarter. Etia tomaloke jodi aru jodi important places kini dekhabo bisarisa, then again you have to create another layer. Okay, what I'm saying is that, okay, now here this point, a jikita point ase, a point kita kihor karone hoise, this point are only for the headquarters. Now you want to show the some of the important places, or kisuman important places tumalke dekhabo bisarise, jitu black spot ase, you want to show some important places also. For this what happen, know that ekhini tumar ki ase point feature diye tumalke dekhaba, but the thing is that this is the index is different. Tumalke ki dekhaba, you want to show the important places. So for this what you have to do, you have to again go to layer. Okay, then create the layer. Okay, I won't be doing here. Then new shapefile. Okay, let me do it. Layer, create the layer. So we have a new shapefile. Okay, so what you want to create, you want to create important places. Okay, places. Okay, this is what, and this one you want to show it in the form of point. Okay, and click OK. Then what would be the geometry type? Obviously geometry type would be point. Okay, then you want to give the name also. Okay, jehetu important places so tumalke naam bur jana. Okay, suppose it if you want to show, suppose this one. Okay, this important place. Okay, so the name of the place is Bhajo, so you know the name of the place, so you can add the name, then click on add list, then okay. Okay, so let us do it now. I will just show you how to add some of the important places. So I will zoom it. Okay, so let me add some important place, suppose here. Okay, I will not be adding all the important places, just few I'll be showing. Click on this one. Okay, then add point. Okay, so suppose this one. Okay, so give us one. What is the name of the place? The name of the place is Degaon. Okay, so Dagaon, Degaon, then okay. Okay, this has been added. Now suppose another you want to add, suppose Safrai. Okay, then number 2 Safrai, Safrai. Okay, then click OK. Then you want to add some more points, suppose Motgaon. Okay, just left click. Okay, it will appear. This is number 3. Then what is the name of the place? The name of the place is Mount Gaon. Okay, then click on OK. Now you want to add some more important places. Okay, suppose this side, suppose you want to add Borwanagar. Okay, so again click on point feature, then this is Borwanagar. Number 4, what is the name of the place? Borwanagar. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so this is how you can add the point feature. Now see, all are point feature, but ki hoise ami belag shape file koli kiyo karone, because a to shape file kiho karone ase headquarter karone. This pink color was for headquarter. Okay, again, and this yellow color was for important places. Okay, so henike ki hobo, we have to make different shape file for different index. Protitu index karone ami belag shape file banabo lagibo. Okay, so now after doing this one, click on save, because everything has been done. If you want to change the this one color and everything, if you want to change the properties, so suppose important places jikita point ase, okay, yellow color point, you want to change the properties, so select this one, then right click, then go to properties. Okay, so this is already given, so you can give the color, you can change the color. Okay, suppose you want to give another color, suppose red. Okay, then okay, red color you have given. You don't want to give the border, because circular border dile beya lage. Okay, no need to give, then just click on apply and okay. See, the color has been in this one changed. If you want to increase the size also, okay, you can increase the size of the point also. So click here. Okay, this one size, if you increase it, suppose I'm making it, okay, 2.6 suppose. Okay, then apply. Okay, see, the size of the point has been increased. Now you want to change the color of the headquarter also, so you click this one, then right click, properties, then click on simple marker. Suppose you want to change the color. Okay, you want to give what color will you give? Choose color. No need to go all over here, just choose one color for me. Suppose blue color, suppose this color. Okay, then you want to increase the size. Okay, 2.8, then apply. Okay, see, the color has become blue. Okay, one more thing, you want to change the shape of this particular point. Okay, then just properties, these are the different style of points. Okay, you can choose any style. Okay, uh, okay, you choose from here. Suppose I have choose this one, apply. Okay, see, this is the how you can change the shape also. Similarly, if you want to change the shape of the points in the important places, then right click, properties, then you can change the uh, shape of the point also in this way. Okay, there are different style, you can choose any one you want. Okay, so I like to keep it as it is. Okay, so this is how we can add the point and line feature. Okay, now sorry, now we'll be this one we'll see how to add the line feature. Now you see, যেতিয়া আমি পলিগনটো কৰিছিলোঁ, আমি পলিগনটো কি হৈছিলে, আমি বাউণ্ডাৰীকেইটা আমাৰ অভাৰলেপ হৈছিলে, সেইটো কাৰণে আমাৰ যিটো স্নেপিং অপশ্যনটো আছিলে সেইটো আমি ইয়াত কি কৰিছিলোঁ, এনেবল কৰিছিলোঁ. অ'কে, বাট পইণ্টত কি হৈছে, আমাৰ স্নেপিং দৰকাৰ হোৱা নাই. ইন দি কেছ অফ পইণ্ট ফিচাৰ উই ডোণ্ট নিড দিছ স্নেপিং, বিকজ হিয়াৰ দেৰ ইজ ন' দিছ ওৱান বা বাউণ্ডাৰী লগ, যিকোনো বাউণ্ডাৰী লগ কি হৈছে তোমাৰ অভাৰলেপ হোৱা নাই. অ'কে, এটা নিজৰ নিজৰ এটা পইণ্ট আছে, চ' আমি কি কৰিছোঁ, ইয়াতে আমাৰ স্নেপিং কৰিবলৈকে দৰকাৰ নাই. বাট when we talk about the line feature, এতিয়া আমি যেতিয়া লাইন ফিচাৰ কৰো, ইয়াত আমাৰ কি হ'ব, স্নেপিং অপশ্যনটো দৰকাৰ হ'ব. we need the snapping option. Why? Because see, now this is the border, right? এটা border কি হৈছে তোমাৰ এই যিটো road network, you can see this road network is what, this is intersecting with this boundary line, so we need to enable this particular snapping point. Okay, now here this type of line feature, I mean road network hawk, or suppose you want to show the river. Okay, this can be represented in the form of line. Okay, road network, this river network, this can be shown with the help of line. Now in the case of this one, this road, okay, road will be shown with the help of line. Now what are the different kind of road we have? National highway and main road and local road. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just show the national highway and we'll show the main road. Okay, national highway, main road, and one more we have, that is the railway. So that means ami line feature amar keta shape file banabo lagibo, tinta. Eta hoise tomar national highway shape file, another one is a main road shape file, and another one is the railway shape file. Okay, so amar ke line feature tinta hobo, but we have to make our line feature tomar etai tomar gute kitare etai line feature hoy, but what we have to do, we have to make different shape file because sobore index to beleg beleg hoy. So first we'll go with the national highway. Okay, so let us go with the national highway. So these are the national highway, this broad one. Okay, so we have to go to layer, then create layer, new shape file. Okay, so what you are going to create, you are going to create the national highway, NH I'm writing. Okay, national highway, suppose line. Okay, in this way, then save it. Okay, then what would be the geometry type? The geometry type would be line string. Jehetu line nisna hobo, so line string. Okay, now you don't know the name. Okay, this name you keep it as blank, no need to add. Eto ami add nokoro list or kyo nokoro, because amar a road bro ami naam na jano, we don't know the name of the roads. Okay, so hetu kana ami yet eto add nokoro, so just click on okay. Okay, so this has been added. Now let us go with the preparation. Okay, so I will zoom it. Okay, now another thing that you have to do after adding the national highway, you have to enable this snapping. Okay, so what you will do, okay, you go to this particular option, advanced configuration, click on here. Okay, then open this snapping option. Okay, so this is national highway. Okay, here for this you want to create a line feature. So this unit should be pixel. Tolerance level you change it to, okay, you click this on for national highway. So this unit will be pixel. Tolerance level you have to change it tolerance level to 2. Okay, then here both segment and vertex both should be added. Okay, segment and vertex both has been added. Then this one, okay, then this one you have, you click this one, avoid overlap on active layer. Okay, done. Okay, so other place these all are okay. Okay, okay, then these are also you make it as segment vertex. Okay, segment vertex, headquarter also make it as segment vertex. Okay, okay, then change the tolerance level to 2. Okay, okay, so everything is done now. Okay, then close it. Okay, then after closing again you go to here. Okay, then advanced configuration. Okay, so once you click on advanced configuration, you can see this particular eye option. So click on here. So here also what you do, just check that everything is okay. Okay, so we can see here that everything is almost okay. Okay, so this side overlap. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, then click on here. Okay, so now the setting has been done. So now what we will do, first we will draw the national highway. Okay, so let us zoom which area. This is the national highway, so zoom this area. From here we will start. Okay, so this national highway to ক'ত গৈছে তোমাৰ national highway ইয়াৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হৈছে, then we have to draw the national highway till here. Okay, this is one national highway. Okay, so what you will do, click on this particular option, then select the line, add the line feature. Okay, now let me zoom it. Now since we have enabled the snapping option, যিহেতু আমি snapping option to enable কৰি থৈছো, so যেতিয়া আমি ইয়াতে line feature to add কৰিবা, so যেতিয়া আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা when we will be starting from here, so এইটো দেখিছানে color to change হৈছে. Okay, that means what, if you just bring it here, the color does not appear, or if you bring it here, the color does not appear. এতিয়া যদি তোমালোকে road to যদি ইয়াৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰিছে, if you start the road from here, so what will happen there, তোমালোকে final map কি হ'ব, ইয়াতে gap টো পাবা. Okay, suppose you are starting the road from here, so ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি start কৰি কি হ'ব, map খনৰ ইয়াতে তোমাৰ gap এটা থাকি যাব, so it will not look good. So what you will do, you just select the point য'ত color টো তুমি দেখি পাবা, তাৰ পৰা তুমি start কৰিবা. Okay, so click it and you can see the line. Okay, এনেকে তোমালোকে গৈ থাকিবা. Okay, okay, so where is মানে এই পইণ্ট ফিচাৰটো overlap হ'লে একো কথা নাই, তোমালোকে just পইণ্ট ফিচাৰৰ ওপৰেদি তোমালোকে এনেকে ড্ৰ কৰি দিব পাৰা. one, and finally I have come to the end of this one, this boundary. So what I will do, right click, okay, right click, then give it as one. যেহেতু আমি ইয়াত খালি id হে দিম, কিয় id দিছো, because আমাৰ ইয়াৰে road আমি নামটো নাজানো, so click on ok. Okay, then this one is over. Then let us go to the another national highway. Where is the another national highway? This is one, okay, we had only one national highway. Okay, this one already has been added. Okay, here we have the national highway. It is tomalaki yate swa ei jitu national highway hoy, this belongs to the same highway. Okay, but because of the boundary, what happened, yate amar gap to pori goise. Okay, this national highway, it belongs to the same national highway, eketa national highway hoy, but ki hoise boundary to kane ki hoise, etu tomar beleg eta district ot pori jay. It falls at this particular part of the boundary, this national highway, it falls under different district. So ami hetu kane etu draw koribo nwaru, but we'll be drawing this part of the this one national highway, but this belongs to the same national highway. Hetu karone your id to ki hobo, your id to ami beleg nidu, the id will remain same, that is here jitu id is 1, so this id will also be 1. So again click on it, select the point where you can see the color, then click, then keep on clicking here, and finally you right click. So this is what id1. Why id1 same id? Because this national highway is a part of the same national highway. Okay, then click on ok. So this one is done. Next what we will do, we'll go for our national highway is done. So what else do we have? We'll go for this, the main road. Okay, we'll not go for the local road, we'll just go for the main road. Okay, so for getting the main road, again what you have to do, you have to create a new shape file. Okay, so again you go to layer, then create, then new shape file. So this shape file is for what? This is for main road. So this is for ma and main road. Okay, so made a click on ok. So after click on ok, the geometry type will be line string. So you don't know ami naam na jano main road or hetu karone ami will not add this particular item to the list. So ami eko nokoru, just click on ok. Okay, so this main road has been added. Now let us so snapping option is already, this is enabled. Okay, so now we'll zoom it and we'll be adding the main road. So our first main road is this one. Click on this option, then this one. So we'll start from the point, this point. Okay, so just draw it. So let us go to this direction first, or we'll end up here. Okay, okay, we can bring it this side. Yata moi to road end korisu, this one. So this is id number 1. Okay, then click ok. Then again click on line option. So I'll be starting from here. Right click. So this is id number 2. Okay. Okay, then this road I'll be adding. Then click on line feature. It in the boundary where you can see the color. Okay, so this is id number 3. Okay, then in this way you can keep on adding the different line features. Okay, so let me this one is over. Okay, now I need to draw this one. Line feature. Okay, right click. So this is id number click on OK. এটা তোমালোকে যেহেতু এটো ভিজিবল হোৱা নাই সো এটা কাম কৰি লবা ইয়াতে প্ৰপাৰ্টিজ টো চেঞ্জ কৰি লবা okay make it bold so that it become visible for you symbology okay এটা color টো অলপ চেঞ্জ কৰি লবা because it visible হোৱা নাই সো আপোনতে কি হৈছে দিগদাৰ হৈ গৈছে okay this line is visible now okay. Then again we have to add some more rows okay so আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰিছো this is ID number 6 okay. Then again this is another row ID number 7 okay. Then NIK you can keep on adding the rows okay ID number 8 okay so this road has not been added we'll add this particular road ID number 9 okay so all the main important roads and the highways has been added okay so this road line feature is over so next one we have let us do one thing because this is quite not visible so let us change the railway okay so for railway again we'll create another shapefile so create then shapefile so what shapefile you are creating you are creating railway okay so save it then what is the geometry type obviously it will be line string okay we don't know the name of the row so we'll not add this field click on ok okay so snapping option is enabled or you just go and see once open the snapping option so this click on railway okay add it as segment and vertex okay then tolerance level should be 2 then this one avoid the overlap on active okay similarly this main row also make it as vertex segment then the tolerance level make it as 2 then avoid overlap on active layer okay then okay now let us digitize it so where is our railway line is this one okay this is our railway line okay this is starting from here so click on this one then add the line option then let us start okay right click then ID number 1 okay so it's done railway option has a railway feature has been added so let us change the properties click on this one properties then suppose I'm making it as black color okay then we have one railway options about this is the topo railway then increase the size 0.8 apply then okay so can you see this railway line this is a railway line okay So this simple, if you click on this one, only A2 size है तुम्हारी horizontal line डाल है तुम्हारा increase होइसे. Okay, so आमी जदि vertical line डालो जदि size to increase को बिचारिसे, then you click on this one. Okay, then solid, then increase the size. Apply. We can increase the stock width also. Okay, then apply. Okay. So this is the railway line. Okay, now we have one more feature, that is the river. Okay, so for river also we have to add the line feature. Okay, so again we'll go to layer, then create layer, then new shape file. So this is what? River. Okay, then click on save. Okay, so what is the geometry type? This is multi-string. Okay, so we don't know the name of the river. Amar sob river er naam monot nai, yare river er naam bu diya nai. Okay, so what you do, you just keep it blank, then click OK. Okay, now let us add the river. Okay, then you have to change this one also, snapping option, then click on river, make this one as vertex segment. Okay, tolerance table, make it as 2. Okay, then this option, make it as avoid overlap on active layer. It's done. So now we are ready to add the river feature. Okay, so if I zoom it, এতিয়া ইয়াতে এটা কথা মন কৰিবা, এই যিবোৰ ৰিভাৰ হয়, এই দিছ ফটো এইবোৰ কি হৈছে তোমাৰ সৰু সৰু ৰিভাৰ যিবোৰ ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীৰ পৰা তোমাৰ ওলাই আহিছে, মানে ট্ৰিবিউটাৰিজখিনি. চ' এইখিনি আমি কি কৰোঁ, আমি লাইন ফিচাৰ দি মানে এটা লাইনৰ নিচিনাকৈ আমি দেখাব পাৰিম. বাট ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীখন কি হ'ব, ইটছ বেটাৰ টু ইউজ এ পলিগন ফিচাৰ. কিহৰ কাৰণে? বিকজ ৰিভাৰ, এই ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ৰিভাৰৰ উইথটো মানে বহুত আমি ডাঙৰ দেখিছোঁ. অ'কে, উইথটো বহুত বেছি ডাঙৰ হয়. চ' আমি ইয়াৰ কাৰণে কি কৰিব পাৰোঁ, আমি এটা পলিগন ফিচাৰ আমি এড কৰিব পাৰোঁ. অ'কে, যিহেতু আমি যদি এটা কমপ্লিট এৰিয়া যদি এনেকৈ দেখাই দিওঁ, তাৰমানে কি হ'ব, আমি এইটো এটা পলিগন ফিচাৰ এড কৰিব লাগিব. বাট for this smaller river, for the tributaries, okay, we can show it in the form of a line. এটা লাইনৰ সহায়ত আমি এটা দেখাব পাৰিম. So what you will do for this one river, this is for the tributaries. So let us add it. Okay, or let us show it. So you have to zoom it. Okay, যিমান পাৰা zoom কৰিবা, নহলে দেখি নাপাবা. So I'm going to add the line feature. Okay, I'm going to start from this river is starting from where? Okay, so let me start from here. আৰু zoom কৰিব লাগিব, otherwise ভাল নহ'ব. Okay, যিমান পাৰা তিমান zoom কৰিবা. মই এইটো অলপ ভাল নহ'ল, বিকজ মই জুম কৰাটো কম হ'ল. সেইকাৰণে যিমান পাৰা তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা, জুম কৰি ল'বা. This one will take time. Okay, it takes time. ইমান হেৰি কৰিব নালাগে, অলপ যদি কিবা ভুল হয়, it's okay, because it's not possible to maintain this shape. Okay, এতিয়া কি আছে, we have the boundary over here. So what I will do, I will stop in this particular point. So this is 1. Okay, okay, then okay, so this river has been added. Now we'll add the another river. Okay, we'll be adding this particular river. Okay, so I have just shown you two of the river how we can add. Now suppose I want to make a polygon feature of Brahmaputra river, because Brahmaputra river is quite wide, okay, compared to the tributaries. So this one we can show it with the help of a polygon feature. So again go to layer, create layer, new shape file. So what you want to create? You want to create this, a shape file for Brahmaputra river. Okay, then save it. Then the geometry tab will be what? Now I since I don't want to show the ribbon line feature, আমি ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীখন যেহেতু বহুত যথেষ্ট তোমাৰ ডাঙৰ হয়, এইটো কাৰণে আমি এইটো লাইনত নেদেখাওঁ, আমি কিহত দেখাম? will show it in the case of polygon, in the form of polygon. So you know the name টো মানে তোমালোকে জানা কি নেম হয়, ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ river নামটো হয় সেইটো জানা. So you can add this one, then add the list, then click on OK. Okay, so now go to this particular option, then open snapping option, then click on Brahmaputra layer, then make this one as vertex and segment. Tolerance level you make it as 2. Okay, then avoid the overlap, you click it, then click on avoid overlap action. Okay, then click on it. Okay, so now let us polygonize this Brahmaputra. So আমি ইয়াতে পাইছোহি, এতিয়া ইয়াত আহি আমি কি কৰিম, এইটো পইণ্টত অহাৰ লগে লগে কি কৰিবা তোমালোকে ৰাইট ক্লিক কৰি দিবা. সো নামটো কি, what is the ID? ID is 1. Then what is the name of the river? The name of the river is Brahmaputra river. Okay, then click on OK. So we are done. Now what we can do, we can change the properties. Okay, এতিয়া তোমাৰ properties will change কৰিব পাৰিবা. Okay, now let us change the properties of এইটো তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ যিহেতু এতিয়া জিঅ'ৰ গোটেই কামটো হৈ গৈছে. Okay, for adding the point line and polygon feature everything has been added. So you can, it can say you can disable, you make it a save. Okay, then you can disable this one. Okay, it has been disabled. Now let us change the properties. Okay, so click on Brahmaputra. Okay, click on properties. Okay, you change the color to blue because river color is always blue. Okay, give this particular color blue color. Okay, then no need to give the boundary. Okay, so apply, then okay, so this is the Brahmaputra river. Okay, similarly we have the other river. Click on properties. Then this one, then here also will give us blue color, but this one will be in the form of line. Etu tumalike alop size to increase kori para, besi nokoriba. Apply, then okay. Okay, so this is the rivers. Okay, enake tumalike aru sob river tumalike add koribo para. Etia mor olop ekhini man bhal dekha nai, mor olop railway to thike ase, but national highway is not looking good. I want to change the properties. Okay, color is okay. I'm not liking this style. I'll just take a simple red line. Okay, I'll take a simple red line. You can increase the size of this red line. Okay, so this is the national highway. I'll be changing the because it is almost looking same, so I'll change the main road properties. So okay, so this is for the road. Then railway is okay. Then I want to change the this one places. Okay, this color I want to change it. Apply. Okay, so this is done. Then the headquarter point, let me change the properties. Done. Okay, now if you see here, this if you just uncheck this one, you see this is the map that we have prepared. Okay, etu map তোমালোকে prepare কৰিলা এতিয়া তোমালোকে কি হৈছে এইখন ম্যাপও দিব পাৰা বা তোমালোকে কি কৰিছা ইয়াৰে যদি আমি ব্যাকগ্ৰাউণ্ড আকৌ যদি চাওঁ এটো ব্যাকগ্ৰাউণ্ড ওলাই গৈছে and if you uncheck it then it will show you the feature that you have digitized. Okay, যোনটো তোমালোকে digitize কৰিলে সেই featureটো তোমালোকক দেখাই দিব. Okay, so now just do one thing, I want to give the আমাৰ যিটো এইটো ট্ৰান্সপাৰেণ্ট যিটো কৰি থৈছিলোঁ সেই ট্ৰান্সপাৰেণ্টটো মই হেৰি কৰিব বিচাৰিছোঁ. চ' আমাৰ হেৰিটো কি আছিলে, দিছ ইজ এ শিৱসাগৰ. অ'কে, ক্লিক অন দিছ ওৱান, দেন প্ৰপাৰ্টিজ, so this is how we can create the map. Okay. This is how, if you unchecked it, you see, you can see the map which you have digitized. Okay, if you checked it out again, then your original map will appear on the background. Okay, now this is your final work. So here you can uncheck kori diba. Now what you can do, you can prepare the layout for this particular map. For the preparation of the layout, okay, for the preparation of the layout, what you will do, go to project. Okay, this already has been taught in a previous class. Okay, give a name to the file, suppose Sibsagar, then okay. Add the item. Okay, then select the area till where you want the map. Okay, so this is the area that I've selected. Okay, so this is my map. Now you want to, you need to increase the size because this is quite smaller. So what you can do, you can change the scale. This thing already I have taught in the previous classes. I hope all of you can remember. This is too large, so like 34 if I do it, then okay, I need to increase a little bit more, suppose 30. Okay, a little bit more, 29. Okay, I want to move the item little bit this side. So if you want to move the item, you have to select the item content and you can move the map. Okay, a little bit more, 28. Okay, so this is okay. So now what we'll do, first we'll add the grid line. Okay, so for adding the grid line, first let us add the border. Okay, so for adding the border, I'll go to frame. Okay, so this frame has been added. So if you want to increase the size of the frame, you can just increase a little bit. Okay, so the frame has been added. Okay, now let us go to grid. Okay, let me just bring a little bit down. I think I made it. Let me just reduce the size little bit. Okay, so it's done. Now let us go to grid. So grid has been added, plus, okay, then grid 1, modify the grid. Okay, so this one I increase to change the frame and annotation. Then click on draw coordinate. Then which format you want, I want in degree, minute and second with suffix. Okay, then this left one has to be uh, vertical ascending, right one should be vertical ascending. Okay, top and everything is okay. Now let me add the interval. Okay, so suppose I want in 5-degree interval. Okay, so it is tomorrow you have to 5-degree interval kole khali tomar eta hai aise, so that means your interval size to decrease koribo lagibo. Suppose 1 degree. If jodi 1 degree korisu, this is a latitude and longitude value. এতিয়া মই দেখিছোঁ যে 1 degree কৰোঁতে বহুত হেৰি লাগিছে. So let us now এইটো কি কৰি আমি 0.5 কৰি দিওঁ. যদি 0 degree 5 minute যদি কৰি দিওঁ, 0 degree 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute interval আমি কৰিছোঁ. see, at least we have got more this one, the number of latitude and longitude grid line. Okay, এইটো যদি মই আৰু অলপ হে কৰি দিওঁ like 8 minute interval. So this is our latitude and longitude. Okay, let us not do it, I'll make it like 2 minute interval. So this is your 2 minute interval. Just make it to 3. I'm finding out the best possible way. Okay, let's make it 4 minute interval. Okay, this is better. Okay, so this is 4 minute interval. Now what you need to, you need to increase the size also. For increasing the font size, go here, increase the size. Okay, then configure the format, make it bold. It is irregular, you make it as bold. Okay, so done, back. Okay, I want to just bring this map little bit this side. মানে এইটো side space অলপ বেছি আছে, so map to অলপ এইটো side লৈ আনিম little bit. Okay, slightly. Okay, it's done. Now, so latitude longitude decided, I need to add this one also. What do we call, go to frame, then position and size. Okay, so frame style and what you want the tick mark, or in what way you want to represent this particular latitude longitude. So I'll give it exterior tick, so you can see the tick mark. Okay, you want to increase the thickness of the tick mark, you can do it, or you can just make it this way also. So frame margin বা কিমান দূৰত বিচাৰিছা আৰু কিমান ওচৰত বিচাৰিছা এইটো তোমালোকে দিব পাৰা. Okay, then okay, so this is done. Okay, now let us add the scale. Okay, so I will add this scale here. This is my scale. Okay, so I want in kilometer. Kilometer is already added, it is in single box, I want it in single box. Then in how many segment you want, if you want to increase the segment, you can go here, the segment will be increased. Okay, I don't want to increase the segment, 2 is okay, because we have to add the index also. Okay, in what interval do you want, you want in 5-degree interval, or sorry 5-kilometer interval, or you want in 3-kilometer interval. So according to your convenience you can change this one. Okay, then what else do we have? Okay, so this is a scale, then just move it little bit this side. Okay, now let us add the heading, that is add the label. So here I'll be adding the label, that is map digitization, Sibsagar district map digitization. Okay, so map digitization, then Sibsagar district. Sibsagar district. Okay. Then change the font size, increase the size, then make it bold. Okay. Okay, you need to increase the size little bit more. We configure the format, so I want in Times New Roman. Okay, this one. Then I want in center. Okay. Map design Sibsagar district. Now let us do one thing. This Sibsagar district, now I want the Sibsagar district to be little bit smaller. Okay, Sibsagar district is all of সৰু কৰিব বিচাৰিছো. So what happens since we have written in the same frame, আমি একেটা ফ্ৰেমতে যেহেতু লিখিছো সেইটো কাৰণে তুমি সাইজটো মানে কি হ'ব একেলগতে তোমাৰ ইনক্ৰিজ হ'ব ডিক্ৰিজ হ'ব. সো তোমালোকে যদি চেঞ্জ কৰিব বিচাৰিছে তেনেহলে কি কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াতে দুটা লেভেল বনাব লাগিব. Okay, so let me delete this one. This is one map digitization. Map digitization. Okay, then one should be bigger. Configure the format, make it bold, some Times New Roman. Okay, then make it center. That's it. Okay, so I want to add one more level. Okay, here this will give us Sibsagar district. Configure the format, make it bold, center. Okay, map digitization Sibsagar district. You can make this one a little bit more bigger. Okay, then let us add the north direction. Choose the style that you want. This is the style I want. Then fill the color as black. Okay. This is the north direction. I think it should be a little bit more center. Then let us add the legend now. So what would be the title? Title would be legend, Legend, legend. Okay, so then here uncheck this one, then you delete this one we don't need it, okay, minus it, okay, this much only we need it, then this one also not required, minus it, okay. So our index ki lage Brahmaputra river, okay, these are the index that we needed, okay. So this already we have. Tomaloka jo change ko bicharise, suppose you want to change the name, you just mention as headquarter, H E capital you want it, HEAD, headquarter, to headquarter, okay, done. Okay, then headquarter is done, then back, then this one also you want to change the name, important places, okay, then back, then this is national highway line, main road, railway, river, okay, this one you can make it as tributary, tributary, then back, then this one you can write it as Brahmaputra river, Brahmaputra river, okay. So in this way you have added everything. Now if you want to change the uh, like symbol and everything, position and size, okay, go to font text, and so this is the title, so you want the title to be a little bit of bigger size, so increase the size and make it as bold, okay, make it bold, and this should be Times New Roman. Go to title font, increase the size, configure the format, make it as bold, then okay, then size is little bit too bigger, make it little bit smaller, okay, then where you want to align it, okay, alignment could be set in the center, okay, make it center. Next is this is the item, okay, it is a item, so it is a item font, go to item level, then size is okay, we just want to make it bold, so everything becomes bold, okay, so it is done, okay. So this is the legend, okay. Now এটা তোমালোকে এইবোৰ suppose নাম add কৰিব বিচাৰিছে, you want to name of the, you want to name the this one river, okay. So go to label, add a text over here, okay. So you type the name here, Brahmaputra river, Brahmaputra river, then increase the size, configure the format, make it bold, okay. So this is what you bring it a little bit more nearer to the river. Okay, so this is Brahmaputra river. Similarly, if you want to name add the name of the place, to tomorrow place headquarter name too. Okay, so go to level. Okay, then here you can add one tags. Okay, so this was the name of the headquarter was Sibsagar. Okay, so click on here, then type as Sibsagar. Sibsagar, then go to font, increase the size. Okay, then make it bold. Okay, then you can place it in the center. Okay, so here the name of the headquarters is what? The name of the headquarters is Sibsagar. Okay, similarly the name of the headquarter of this one is Nazira. Okay, go to add label, then add one text here, text box, then write it as Nazira. Nazira, then go to font, increase the size. Okay, then configure the format, then make it bold. Okay, then place it in the middle, place it in the center. So this is Nazira headquarter. Similarly, this was Sonari. Okay, Sonari. So fontor হেৰিখিনি change কৰি দিবা. Well, configure the format, make it bold. Okay, then make it center. So this is the name of the important headquarter. Same way you can name the important places also. So the place to the you can just insert a label and you can type the name of the places. Okay, similarly suppose you have some important what we call the name of the other district. Okay, এইটো চাৰিফালে তোমাৰ আৰু কিছু বেলেগ district বোৰৰ নাম আছে, so সেইখিনি তোমালোকে কি কৰিব পাৰা, add কৰিব পাৰা. So how will be adding? You just bring one label. Okay, then you can add it. Okay, so this side we have the Lakhimpur district. Okay, this side we have the Nagaland. Okay, here we have the Arunachal. Okay, so all this thing you can, here we have the Jorhat district. So what will the surrounding area ki ase ami hekhini ami ki koribo paru, we can add it. So click on label. This side we have the Jorhat district. Okay, so I will click over here, then I will write as Jorhat district. তেতিয়া আমাৰ কি হয়, ওচৰে পাজৰে যিখিনি জায়গা আছে আমি সেইখিনি তেতিয়া আমি গম পাম. Okay, we can give an idea of the surrounding places also. Configure the format, make it bold. Okay, then make it center. Okay, so this side what we have, this side we have the Jorhat district. Similarly here we have the this one Nagaland. Okay, so what you will do, we'll add a label again. এফালে আমাৰ কি আছে, আমাৰ নাগালেণ্ডখন আছে, সো ইয়াতে আমি নাগালেণ্ড বুলি টাইপ কৰিম, নাগালেণ্ড, then click here, increase the size. Okay, then configure the format, make it bold. Okay, then place it in the center. Okay, so this side we have the Nagaland. here we have the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this side we have the Arunachal Pradesh. So yate tumalage Arunachal Pradesh heri khini add koribo para. This is the level. Okay, so here we have the Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal moi to olop next here likhi disu because moi dekhisu yate man jega nai, so etu ka Arunachal Pradesh moi eneke likhisu. So font to tumalage increase kori diba to 12. You can increase to any size, but make sure that it looks good. Okay, then make it as center. Okay, so this is how we can prepare the map. So you see, so this is the Brahmaputra river. These are some of the important river. If you want to name the river, so river the naam to development ko se, you can add the name also. Similarly, you can add the name of the important places also. Okay, so and the surrounding area also you can this one depict it in the form of a in the map. Okay, so this is the final map. So what you will do after completion of this one, go to layout, then export as image. Okay, export it. Then this, if Sagar say where you want to save it, you want to save in Sangeeta GIS practical map. Okay, then save it. Okay, then save. Okay, it has been saved. You can directly go to this particular folder and you will view the map. Okay, thank you everyone. This is how we digitize the